Hi everyone, it's Cynthia from It's Pouring Paint. So the other day I was going through YouTube videos and I saw someone do a bubble wrap canvas and I fell in love with it, and I immediately grabbed together whatever bubble wrap I could do I had at the house, and I got my canvas and I decided to do all the colors. So I am excited about this one. Never done it, but what she did was absolutely stunning. I'm hoping I can replicate it. So yeah, so here we go. Let's do it. So I guess I'm just going to start and do what she did. It's so interesting. It was never a pattern that I would have thought that I would even have done, but she did it this way, and I'm going to do it this way just to, whoop, it was more like a U, just to hopefully replicate, and then maybe later on I can go ahead and do a different one in a different style. But I mean, you got to learn somehow. So she just basically put the colors in chevrons. She was much better with it. Patience maybe sometimes is not my virtue. I try though, I do. And oh, see, all of these paints, just so you know, are mixed with Liquitex. But my next round, I just went out and went to, shoot. Dulux, I'm sorry. It went to Dulux, and they have Floetrol. I think they're about the only ones, and the lady said it's because they own it, they make it, so I know it's a little bit easier to get it elsewhere. But yeah, I got some, so I'll be starting to mix my paints with that. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. I can honestly say maybe it wasn't the same for hers. I am a novice. I am just, of course, trying something out. But I'm hoping it's going to be good. I don't want too much black. Black can sometimes overtake. So we'll just put like that in. Oh. So I put these purple lines in because, of course, I measured the canvas, and it's an 11 by 14 that I'm doing. I measured the canvas to it, and I just didn't want to have to put paint all the way outside it. So I'm going to try and get some of the ones that don't look like they're covered yet. So this is going to be interesting, I'm telling you. All the colors that I have mixed up right now. Some of them are metallic, actually most of them are metallic. I think I've only actually got two that are not metallic, but they're kind of the same colors as the ones I have in metallic. So we'll see how it goes. That one was not a metallic one. This one is a metallic one. It's one of my favorites, to be honest with you. I do love this blue. And this is a Deco Art blue. Ice blue, I think it's called, or icy blue. And it's just great. And it comes out, well, after you seal it and everything, it comes out really shiny. Now, from what I understand of the process of this, once I go ahead and put the I put the canvas on, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a squish down. So if there are little blank spaces in here, I'm not going to worry too much, because I think once I press down, I'm going to do it the opposite way. Yeah, there. I'm a rebel. Rebel without a cause. Alright guys, so I got it on there. I hope that wasn't as painful as sometimes it can be. Just gonna see if I can't. Whoop. Okay, well, I don't know what you think about that right as it is. It's got some pretty amazing little colors in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the canvas, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it right on top of here. Just like this. And I'm going to gently press down in here. So while I was watching this video of the other lady doing this, not only did I immediately run out and grab some stuff so I could do it, I was thinking about a time that I was helping a friend paint her house, and she did 2 different tones. One tone she put down, and then she put another lighter tone down, and we put up a big saran wrap on it, and we pulled it off, and it gave it this marbled effect. So I was thinking, you know what? I might do that too. I mean, that's kind of cool. Let's see what happens when we do that. Maybe we'll get some really good colors out of it. I don't know. Some air. Some more air. So maybe I shouldn't press. I don't know. I'm just doing this. This is new to me. So I'm going to remove the paints from this side because I'm going to pull from this side. And let's see what it looks like. Actually, I'm just going to. Wow. I have to say I like it. I like it a lot, but I don't know if you've noticed, I have some spots in here that don't seem to have hit the thing. So maybe I should have waited a little longer. But don't you like that? Isn't that lovely? Just going to do a little tilt with it. And I'll have to do up the sides anyways. And the only reason I'm doing the tilt is to get those ones right there that didn't get covered in paint. I'm just trying to cover them up. Otherwise, I would have just left it. Oh my God, I so love it. I really do. And hopefully I still love it after I've done this. I can see some bubbles. I'm okay with that. I'm going to torch it in a sec. So yeah, I see a little spot there. Got it. I'm going to go this way. Sorry guys. I'm going to go this way because I see one other little spot that I need to cover. And then I'm going to torch it because there are a lot of bubbles. And I don't mind bubbles that are broken. Sometimes you can just blow on things too, and it gets rid of them. Sorry guys, again, you know what, I think I'm just going to do a touch. We'll just get it there. Okay. Okay. Well, I don't know. What do you think? Let me torch it. And I didn't think I'd need a torch because I thought all the bubbles would definitely come out. But I was wrong. Okay. It's just a little torch. Oh, my hubby, God bless him, I asked him for a torch and he brought me back this lighter one. It literally has a lighter inside it. Isn't he awesome? But I do have a torch now. There. I think I'm going to leave it exactly like that. Tell me what you think, guys. I'll come back when it's dry, and then you can let me know. I'll go right over it. It was really fun. Catch you on the next video.